Yeah, that's here in Colorado. I don't think it's actually going to rain on us, because it rarely rains, but you know, maybe. For now, it's time for some eggs. I'm still filling the duck pond. It takes a while. Hello everybody! How are all of my friends? My chicken friends, and my goat friends, and my sheep friends. Hello, hello, hello. How are we this afternoon? Everyone having a good day? It's almost chilly out here. I'm actually wearing a warmer shirt because I'm cold. How is it cold in August? Oh. Oh, here comes Kevin running over too. And for the goats, a little scratch for my hooved chickens. Yeah. Is that it? Oh, Cece and Louie are all here. Everybody's uh-huh. You guys are spoiled. There you go, Kev. That's a little pushy there, big boy. This seems far too exciting. You know what? You don't get a treat every day, necessarily. Come over here and let them calm down a little. Give me a bucket. Ooh, that was very clean. We'll use that for the clean bucket. Cece's coming up here, so I'm gonna fake her out, and I'm gonna come around. Oh, you know what I'm forgetting? This is my fault, as are most problems. You know what they really want? They want hay. Let me give them some hay now. Huh. Yeah. Hi, everybody. Let's do the hay, and that will make you happy. You're all frantic and hungry and grumpy. We can't have that. Excuse me, Mr. Louie. I know. Red Rover, come on. It's gonna rain. You better eat a lot of this really quickly. You hear that big crackly noise up there? I'll fight my way in here so I can safely cut this twine. Get your face out of here. Whew. Get in there, Christoph. Get what you want. These critters are gonna just suck that right down, so you better get what you want pretty quick. Hello, everybody. How's my family friends? Delightful to see you too. You had so many visitors today. You sure did. You were very popular, you little babies. What's going out? Yeah, I'm not feeding in the barn. Yeah, seems like it's getting louder and louder. We had a severe thunderstorm alert in place. Now I got a severe whining goat alert that I can turn off. Good grief. The last thing I need is for the ducks to have discovered this water too. Okay, so a little scratch for Gen Pop with a quick diversion to get that hay done while my demanding little friends were yelling at me. There should be a much calmer walk out to Chicken Manor now. That's exciting. Hello, Chicken Manor chickens. back at you. I'm willing to bet you would like some scratch. Wow. It's talking a lot. How we doing, girls? How's life on the farm? Well, it's getting more brown. It's dirtier, deeper than I want it to be. Still cleanish at the top. I have to think about that. It may not have been the effect I wanted. Maybe the answer is it's just too big. Uh-oh. There's some raindrops. Some rather serious raindrops. Well, at least get. Oh wow, what the fuck? Almost, what, 18 raindrops so far? Alright. Dirty ones. Do I have anything in here I consider clean? No. Not really. Huh? Well, that's not bad. That puts me at 6. There's some more raindrops there. It seems like it may be getting a little momentum. Let's see if it gets up enough oomph to have me skip my irrigation tonight. Seven, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12. Oh yeah. Let's do that. 13. That has really got to be frustrating for the goats. Oh, look. Who is that? Miles. Is that Miles or that's Billy still staying outside to eat hay? Only the sheep really stay out in the rain. Okay. Oh, crud. Where was I? Really? You. And yeah, you weasel, that bounced off my hat. Okay. All right. Command decision. Changing, cleaning dirty buckets. All right. You gonna do that again? Woo! That's exciting. That seems kind of close. 8, 9, 10, 13. Baker's dozen. $13, $14, $15. It's the fewest eggs I've collected in that corner probably this year. Let's hope they're done with it. 15. $16, $17. 18, 19, 'Is that hail? That's never fun. 19. Twenty-two, 23, 24, 25. 26, 27, 28. 29:30. Let's let you stay up there today, huh?
some reasonably sized hail.
We'll just stay here for a minute or two. What are you all doing over there? Huh. Wow.
Bust on lens there.
Back up to that a little bit.
That's really going down. There's some seriously large hail.
Size hail right now. Well, I mean, I don't want any of us going out in this right now. I'm trapped in the chicken coop. So I'm in the middle of it and watching it. No, I wish. Yeah, this is crazy. This is going to cause some damage. Where is she? house, or whose house shelter? Black? What kind of duck? Pekin? Alright, I know. Well, I'm on my way. Bye. Alright, here we go. That's the thing. Quite a storm. All right, sweetie, I'm coming. No, go that way. What are we doing here? What the fuck are we doing? Come this far, let's go check the barn. I think we've kind of moved over to just rain now. Everybody, you all make it in okay? Huh. How are y'all doing in here? That was exciting. That's easy. What do you think, Miles? I got you all that great hay and then it went and did that, huh? Louie, you think this was my fault? Is everybody just afraid? It's okay. It's okay, Billy. Gwenny's not afraid. You weren't coming out of the barn anyway, were ya? Ha ha ha! Oh, it's getting a lot less. I think I can go back to the egg collect. And I won't need a shower. Because I'm pretty well soaked.
3 inches taller, and you couldn't reach it.
So where were we before we so quickly found ourselves here in the main barn? Wow. That was some hail. That probably dented a few cars. Look at this. I'm so proud because I brought in all of the recycled asphalt and built all the drainage that channeled all the water coming this way. Yay me! And that worked pretty well. Of course, it channels it right here where it kind of collects. And then it goes down in there where it funnels it right into good old Chicken Manor. This is also kind of a really dumb place to have a gate with this drainage. Okay, so I'm mostly proud. Whatever. Oh, and now the ducks are having their absolute best moment. Everything is covered in water. Well, that is a good one. For the bees. That's for sure. That should keep some things alive for a while. Okay. Look at the size of some of those. Not that. That's chicken poop. That one. So, when we last left, you're going to be really impressed. Check this out. I remember I was right at 30. So, and I didn't even get down there yet. I don't have any place to dry my hands off to collect. Okay. Here we go. Inside. Yeah, because I'm not soaked through the skin yet. 31, 2, 33. $35. What you got under here? 36, 37. $38. Anything else? 38. Oh my goodness. 39, 40, 41. You were really holding out on me there. Any more? 41. And there we go. Now it's over, just like it never was. Yeah. All right, girls, see you later at bedtime. Are you all so happy, you ducky ducks? Which one of you is the one that needed to go out and stand up and stare at the hail? So we have one Pekin, one of these big white ones. Maybe that one right there. That's not doing super well. That's the one I thought it was going to be. Well, hey, Kev. Hey, how you doing? You made it through the rain. That was our first big rainstorm out in the open. I saw you run under the tent here like a champ. That was well done. That gives you a sense of size on how big the hail was. Pretty good crop that's still left. No, the tank's still not full. It needs more water, ironically. So here I am in the middle of a thunderstorm. Let's run the garden hose. So it's clearly going to need another hour at least. Let's just creep it up an hour at a time. Because then I'll know if it takes like 4 hours, then it takes 4 hours. This will be hour number 4 that we are starting here. How we doing in here? Do we have a good time? Huh. You all went to bed because it was thunderstorming? Chickens. And it's my Greek choir. How you doing? This breed's a Brahma. They are so big they don't fit out through the fence. So they are confined to life in the chicken yard. Except when we take them out and feed them bugs. Anything else for ground eggs back here? I might have overdone it on the straw. I don't think they're going to be sad. Got anything back here in the hole? I don't see anything in the hole. Okay. So we're going to call that a no on ground eggs. Yeah, one of those naked little chickens. How y'all doing? Another naked little chicken. They're everywhere. So we shall start at 1 here in Gen Pop. Our clean and our dirty bucket, and we have a couple of eggs that nobody is sitting on. So we'll start with an easy 1, 2, and then down here that gives me number 3. And after that, everything's a fight. And these are dirty. 1, 2, 3. Well, look, that one's broken. How we doing? We need names for everybody. I think you should be Callaway. Matthew Callaway. Four, 5. I think you're Scissor. 6. 7, 8. How we doing? 9, 10. 11, 12. Any more? 13, 14. 15, 16. 17, 18. Look at you go. 19, 18. Last but not least, 19. 20. 'She rolls the eggs up into her wings here and tucks them up under and carries them up under here. Okay, 20. And 41 from the others. So I think we're done here in the coop. Let's see what we've got left over in the barn. So I've already consolidated a fair number today with other chores. I just like to get them out of the way when they lay them in here because sometimes they just eat them. And that's a lot less fun. Let's check up here now the new places we know that we need to look. And that would include 2 more. Look, that's one of those that's got the weird calcified. Those are really so strange. They're just fine though. And now let's check in here. Just 1. Maybe they're unhappy now that we've discovered their stash. Okay, not the easiest to get to. You gotta kneel down. And 3 more. I, of course, forgot what the hell it was. It was 41 and what? 20? 30? Shit. Okay, whatever that was, I'll listen back to the tape. Whatever that was, plus 3. Those are all going in the clean bucket. Now, up here in the duck bucket, We have got 8 for the day. It's been a while since we've seen an 8 duck day. That's nice to see. They had a big morning in the fresh straw. Okay, and then over here, this is the fun one from last night's dozen. And so that gives us another dozen. I believe I had 13 I pulled out of there, right? So that was 2, 4, 5, 6, 1, 3, 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, yeah, plus these 4. So plus the 3 plus the 4. So plus 7. So whatever my total was plus 7. Kind of think it was 20 or 30. Yeah. All right, that should be enough clues to remember what the hell I did. I'm going to bring these in separately because anytime I find a collection of eggs, but that's just such a different set of colors. That's really only 2 days. These are all going to be good. So we're not going to separate them. I don't think we have an additional test. Our washing and cleaning test will cover anything that's bad. They have not been there anywhere. They couldn't have been because I just moved that bucket over there like a week ago. So if they are max a week out of the... There, let's take that broken one and put that broken one up on the top of the bucket. Carolyn cleans up the eggs for us, usually. That's one of the chores she takes. I should get her to wear a GoPro someday. She would just be full of swearing about what a butthead. Does that. No, she wouldn't. Okay, so yeah, I was so close to remembering what the hell I was talking about, and then I just spaced. But, that's what I call an egg collect.